think you should go to the nurse's office. Hey, it's Miss Frizzle. Did I just hear a cough? It looks like we're gonna have to go through your nose to get in your body again, Jerry. No. I'm sorry, Jerry, but we have to. Jerry, don't worry. The bus is only about like this big this time. It's gotten smaller. Last time it was like this big.